Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with a targeted diagnosis. Power off the iPhone and remove the SIM tray so you won't short anything. Once done, inspect the screen. Are the lines colored, vertical, horizontal, or intermittent after a drop? This tells you if the panel or the flex cable is faulty. Make sure you have the right tools, pentalobe driver, suction cup, spudger, and the exact replacement assembly for your model. If you skip the exact part, the repair will fail. You'll open the phone next, remove the pentalobe screws, and use a suction cup to lift the display just enough to access the hinge. Avoid levering the screen. Once open, disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts, then unseat the display connectors. Inspect the display flex and connector under good light. Bent pins or corrosion causes lines. Clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush, then carefully reseat or replace the damaged flex cable. Proper contact often restores the image. You finish by installing the new display assembly. Reconnect the display connectors, then the battery, power on and test for lines before you reassemble. If lines persist, swap which connectors are attached and test again. This isolates whether the panel or a connector is defective. Rarely, logic board damage causes lines, and that needs board-level repair. Make sure you use the correct screws and torque when sealing. If something still misbehaves, try a soft reset and update iOS as one quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.